Hello and once again welcome back to my channel Grumbly Tummy. Today we are going to make an easy American style breakfast pancake. So for this recipe we'll need 1 cup all purpose flour, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon vanilla essence and quarter teaspoon salt. Then 2 tablespoon cooking oil and finally 1 egg. Now add all the dry ingredients in a bowl. If you don't want any lumps in your batter, you can sift the dry ingredients first. Now mix the dry ingredients and add the wet ingredients. First the milk, the oil, the eggs, and lastly the vanilla essence. Now mix the batter for a smooth and runny consistency. If you want to add extra ingredients like chocolate chips or blueberries, you can add them now. Now take a pan and oil it and add 1 scoop of the pancake batter to it. And let it cook under slow flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. And when bubbles start to appear, flip the pancake and cook it for another 1 minute. Now it's ready to eat. You can stack them, add a piece of butter and drizzle them with honey. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and see you next time.